Elementor layouts get messy, break easily, and takes forever to edit, you're going to love this video. Today I will show you the structure panel, also known as Elementor Navigator, and exactly how it can save you a ton of time and makes editing a breeze. So stick around because by the end you will see why this should be your holy grail for managing Elementor pages. So let's get started. Okay, so when you click on this navigator icon here in the top right corner, this structure panels open up on the screen. And now look at this. You see how all the containers you have dropped on your page are listed here in the hierarchy. And if you click on a particular container, it opens a drop-down showing all the widgets inside it. So you immediately understand the structure of your page. I mean, you don't have to guess which widget belongs to which section. Okay, now another thing that I really love, and this has become my go-to, is that when you click any section or container or widget, you can give it a name you want. For example, I am naming this container as Hero Section, and then inside it we have this widget which I'm gonna name as Hero Dual Button. So now I know that this particular button belongs to the Hero section. So you know, when you return later to edit, or maybe the client needs to review it, everything is clear. It saves time and prevents mistakes. Okay, now not only that, often our home pages or landing pages gets really long, and normally to reach a particular section or a widget, we scroll and scroll endlessly. But here in the structure panel, you just click the element you want and it takes you directly there automatically. This saves you a ton of time and avoid frustration. No more guessing where your content is or accidentally scrolling past when you want to edit. Now another thing, sometimes we need to move a section up or down on the page, right? For example, if I try that I want this testimonial container below this one, and I try to drag it on the page, see, I get so many confusing pink lines that make me feel like a puzzle. I mean, I'm so confused that where I actually wanted my container to go, and somehow when I place it, my layout breaks. And then of course, fixing it takes me another whole hour. So instead, if I do the same thing in the navigator panel, it becomes simple. See, since I have already renamed my elements and sections, so spotting them is easy. So here I just drag the first testimonial container and drop it below this second testimonial container. And very quickly, without breaking my layout, I get the exact change I want. Okay, so sometimes we have so many sections that it's hard to focus on a specific element you want to design, right? So the structure panels allows you to temporarily hide any section or widget so you can focus fully on the one you are editing. This gives you a cleaner workspace and prevent accidental edits on other sections. You can always unhide it later. So ever happened that you want to edit a widget but it's tucked inside multiple containers or subcontainers, making it hard to select? So normally you would struggle to click the exact element, but the navigator saves you here too. Just select the widget in the panel and Elementor immediately selects it on the page, ready for editing. No hunting, no mistakes, and you can directly make your edits without frustration. And not only that, from the panel you can copy, paste, duplicate, or delete any element directly here. Like I can duplicate this, and there you go. And even delete it. See, everything is instantly accessible. And for your convenience, you can even move this panel anywhere on the page. It's not fixed. You can place it wherever it's most comfortable for you. This improves your workflow and keeps your screen organized exactly how you like it. And there you have it, the complete guide to Elementor's Navigator. By using this properly, you will save hours, prevent layout errors, and make your editing workflow super smooth. My favorite feature, renaming containers. Tell me what's yours. Now, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn the notification on so you don't miss any more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.